Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all possible checking options using the IMEI number of your POCO F7 Ultra. Okay, so as you can see we are on the IMEI.info page, as always. And in here, in this bar, all we need to do is to type our IMEI number. So if you don't know how to check it, I'm just gonna show you an example of this beautiful POCO F7 Ultra. So there are two methods how you can check it, check the IMEI number, and the first method is by clicking on the phone app and typing this specific code, which goes like that. And in here we can see the IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also the serial number. Okay, and if you want, you can also go through the settings, click on About Phone, scroll down until you find Detail Info and Specs. Scroll down again until you find the Status option, and below under the model we have the IMEI for slot 1 and the slot 2. Simply tap on it and you will have access to the IMEI number. So now simply click on OK, and now enter your IMEI number in this bar and click on this blue button, Check IMEI. Okay, and we have now our phone. In here we have the basic information about the phone, such as device type, when it was released, the operating system, and other information. If you click on Expand Info, you will see more. So you can read it for yourself. And also, if you want, you can read the full device specification when you click on this white button. And in here again we have the basic information and also the parameters, so you can read all of them in here. You have information about the multimedia, the organizer, the other functions, messages, communication, voice functions, etc, etc. Okay, but let's go back from here and let's scroll down until we find the basic checks and the advanced checks. So when it comes to the basic checks, which are free, you can see it right in here. You can check the Xiaomi Mi Lock info check, blacklist simple check, random image generator, eSIM compatibility check, lost device add, and lost device check. There's also MAC address check and MAC address generator, but for the POCO those options won't be available because it's only for the Mac. And when it comes to the advanced checks, we have Xiaomi warranty and country check, and also blacklist premium check. So if you click on it, you'll see that it costs $4 and the time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Okay, and if you'll scroll down a little bit, you can share this page with the QR code, which is right in here on the right side. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.